Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the page orientation for your documents in the CorelDRAW application. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me show you how to do this here based on that example document. If you have your document already open, there are two ways how you can do this. First and foremost, make sure that you have it selected here in the tab. Then option number one, you go through these page setups here and change the size or the page type, and here the page orientation switch from portrait to landscape. Or alternately, you navigate to layout, navigate to page size here, and here what you want to do guys is navigate to page size here, and you can choose between again portrait or landscape, and you can accordingly also change the width and height of the document here using these plus and minus buttons. That's how you change the page orientation on CorelDRAW. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some related from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.